Hey guys, John here, and I'm making a video of the now dead, officially dead, Macintosh Performa. And this beauty is a good computer from, I believe, around 94 through some or other. But this is a focus camera. This is a Macintosh Performa 630 CD. That's an 8X, I think, CD drive. Not the fastest in the world at those days, but it's fast. Got the eject hole, the eject button. Got a 3.5-inch floppy. An infrared volume on the system. Power light, headphone jack, belt and speaker, which was pretty handy at the time. Got the original keyboard. Focus. Got the original keyboard in very great condition. This computer was our main computer back in the day. This thing is more heavier than the custom built. Oh, bang. Okay. Got the fan, CPU fan up there. Serial number. Focus. I said focus on it. There's the day of its birthday. It was made December 13th of 1994 at 2:44 p.m. which is kind of cool. Got another air vent right here. So a lot of blocking plates on this because I think this computer was educational, or it wasn't a business computer. I think it was just a basic home computer. So a lot of blockings. There's the serial VGA connector. Got the power button. Another blocking plate. Got a headphone and microphone. Got a SCSI port. Modem, printer, and keyboard. Got the power. And the Kensington lock. And this cover actually comes off. I'll show you here. Prop this computer up with one knee. This cover actually comes off where you can just pull it out, pull the whole system out, and expand it. Basically, you can expand this machine, which was pretty cool, I think. And I don't want to kill this keyboard. And there's the sticker down there, this basic stuff. So let me put the camera on the keyboard, or not, and move me big old brick to the side because it's heavy as heck. That's easy. Just slide across the floor. Here's the keyboard, the original keyboard that came with this machine. As you can see, just look at this thing. In perfect condition. I mean, in perfect condition. There's hardly no wear on this keyboard whatsoever. Maybe a little on the F key, but I mean, this is in this pristine condition. It even got the power button on the keyboard. You got stand, which is kind of cool. I use that all the time on my keyboards. Even got a slot for the mouse port on the keyboard, which is really cool. And they called this keyboard, back in the day, they called this keyboard the Apple Design Keyboard from '94. So, pretty cool. Really cool back at this time. And here's the single 1-button mouse. Really generic here. Apple's point of time. Called it the Apple Desktop Bus Mouse 2. Really cool. And got the original monitor that came with this machine. Monitor still works. Amazingly. Even though it's a CRT, that monitor up there is a CRT. But this monitor still works. I have not tried to get a picture on it because I can't get the computer to actually fire, so yeah. But it's a CRT screen. Got the power button down there and the adjusters. Takes a separate power cord, which was kind of a pain in the rear, but hey, it was a computer. Computers were really tangled up back in the day. Here's the display. It was an Apple Color Plus 14-inch display. Pretty good. It had some pretty sharp picture on it. It's not bad. Now I gotta pick all this crap up when I'm done, which is not gonna be fun at all. Got an extra cord over there for an Apple thing, which is way up there at the Apple, I think, Apple printer. Still got the ink in it, which is pretty cool. What a jumble of wires. I mean, a jumble of wires. Just look at this. Look at this. This is a power book. Golly. And here's that extra cord to the printer. Now we're going to show you what came with this thing back in its day. We got here the Mac Gallery Clip Art Treasure Pack Quick Start Guide. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool back in its day. That Click Art. It's the user guide and product info. Save up to 56%. Kinda cool. Got a Quicken guide. Quicken from Macintosh Performa. Came pre-installed with it. Quicken version 4 for the Mac. And look how thick that is. I mean, look how thick that is. I mean, there's all in English, including the index. 292 pages. Oh, we also got a Quicken customer communication card with special coupons, which are probably outdated these days. We got the Macintosh Performa User's Guide. Read this book first. And this is not that thick, but it covers basically everything the computer had. 108 pages. It's not big, but it was big in the day. And we got the Color Style Writer 2400 User's Guide. My dad bought brand new. Best Buy. Not thick, but it is kind of thick. I love the old Apple logo. There's a silver quality there. Just kind of. 91 pages on that. It's not bad. We got the Hunt of the Red October. This, the directions for it. Got Crossword Wizard for Macintosh. This is a little manual. Not bad. There's more of the Hunt for the Red October. Hunt of the Red October. Got the ships right there. Got the New Goller Multimedia Encyclopedia manual. Here's the system requirements if you want to read those. Focus. Back of the day would take a Macintosh Plus Classic SE or any color Macintosh. A hard drive with at least 1.5 megabytes. System 6.0.5. This machine had System 7.5 on it. Was ready for a PowerPC upgrade, but was never upgraded. I need 4 megabytes of fully functional 1 megabyte memo viewing text and a CD-ROM drive, basically. Oh, this thing actually runs on Windows. Oh, no, it doesn't. Weh. Got Davidson's Kids Works 2, the Creative Kit, Writes, Paints, and Talks manual. Not big, but pretty fun program. I used it when the thing actually ran. Too bad it doesn't run. Here's some of the software we have. This is 8-Ball Deluxe in the box. Yeah, in the box. The requirements are System 6.0.7, 256 color monitor, and 4 megabytes of RAM. And it supports System 7 and all Macintosh models with 256 color capability or 256 shades of gray. So, yeah, this game was pretty fun. I played it a little bit when the thing actually ran. Here's the official player's guide for the game. And got different games here. And you got README, which is pretty cool. It's got a basic README. And it came on 3.5-inch floppies. And it did come with an 8-ball, but I don't know where the 8-ball went to. And it comes with a little pinball paddle. Bing, bing, bing. So that was, you get a little bit of extra goodies in the box, but hey, things were like that in the 90s. You never knew what you were going to get. Well, that was me, anyway. So there's one piece of software. Next thing we got here, boom, is the Activision Classics. Activision's Atari 2600 Action Pack 2 for the Macintosh. Comes on 3.5-inch high-density discs. Just requirements on bottom. It's 100% Macintosh compatible. Takes a 68 LC040, 25 megahertz, or a PowerPC processor. 8 megabytes of RAM, 3.5 high-density floppy disk drive, and yeah, if you want to read that, just go ahead, pause the video and read that. Okay, you read it? Okay. So I'll show you what's in the box here. I've been in this box, but I haven't seen what's in here. Inside we got the little bitty manual. That's all the games that come on it. 15 of them. Pretty cool. And we got the floppies flying out of here. If I can get the second one out. Come on. Oh, no. You're not going back in there. Alright, so here's the floppies. This one of two, and this 2 of 2. So, yeah, it had some pretty classic games on it. I mean, it had, let's see, it had, well, they're on the box here. Let me put this all in there. There we go. Came the games Barnstormin', River Raid 2, Mega Mania. Let's see here. Here we go. Dang it. Focus. Came with Atlantis, Enduro, Mega Mania, Skiing, Barnstormin', Ice Hockey, Oink, Stampede, Tennis, Plank Attack, Keystone Cappers, Dolphin, Dragster, Laser Blast, River Raid 2, and that's all the games that came with it. I mean, that's a lot of games you can get with this 2 floppy disks. So here's the next one. This is for the Macintosh. This is Mac Arcade Pack. 5 arcade games for the Macintosh. Genuine Macintosh. Better graphics, better sound, faster action. And it's by Macsoft. Yeah. So, on the back here, got the same slogan. Comes with Mac-Man, instead of Pac-Man's Mac-Man. Block layer. Hemorrhoids. Patriot Command and Moid 2. I don't know how to say it. Kind of hard to say. So, inside, got a product registration card. Never filled out. Got a installation guide with technical support. A folder software for your Macintosh. This must got software on it. I think it does. Yep, it does. It got software. Color clips to 3000. True type font pack. Clippables gold. It's kind of cool. Advanced. Wow. Wow. That's the game I have. Alright. So the floppy disks are in here. Let me get these out. The stupid box doesn't want it. Okay. But if you can see that, the floppy disks are in there. I don't want to really pull them out because they're kind of, as I can say, stuck in there. So that's Mac Arcade Pack. I don't remember if this thing was really installed on the machine when I last used it. I think it was probably 2 years ago since I've used it. So, yeah. Next is My Software Power Series. Also prints color labels. Advanced Label Designer. And it comes with all these features. A satisfaction guarantee as well. And it's compatible with a 512 memory, double-sided diskette, and System 7. And it's in its own little sleeve. Lifetime warranty. Yeah, right. Alright. Yeah, woohoo. It was in its own little sleeve. Pop it open. yeah, this little part comes out, but there's my label designer. Gives a little instruction. Version 1.0.1. There's a serial number. Like, no one ever needs that. And here comes the manuals. And there with the floppy disk. So, we got my label designer. There's how thick the manual is. This is 106 pages. That's pretty long. Here's my catalog. Just got different software in it. To order, fill out this card. Professional quality supplies. Must be for software. I don't really know. A little sample software. Oh, it gives a little getting started guide how to install and stuff. And here's, I think it's a giveaway. Try to call 1-800-776-0836 extension 150 to get a free membership kit so you can try the Prodigy service. Yeah, Prodigy's no longer around anymore, so this thing is gone. Looks like someone marked it. Nope. And you can also win a modem. Woohoo! Yeah, like no one, well, for Macintosh people. Yeah, they need a modem to get online. But for other people that were born in the 90s, like me, they really didn't need internet. I didn't need it anyway. I didn't even know what internet was when I was little. And I can't get this crap back in. No, it's not crap. It's vintage stuff. Did I get that? Let's shut. And it's not gonna shut. And man, oh man, I can't get it shut. There we go. Alright. Still can't. Man. Oh, there we go. What, they dummy proof it? Alright. I'm still here. I'm just on the floor. Well, camera's on the floor. Gotta get this sleeve of the box back on. Man, oh man, the last time I looked at this thing, it was a pain in the rear to get the thing back on. Oh, there we go. Okay, so where's our next thing? We got floppy disks. We got Apple double-sided disks. Now formatted for your Macintosh. 2 megabyte floppy disks. Never used. Not these. I mean, look how many floppy disks there are. They're still in their original packaging. Never been used. And we also got these other floppies. Just random floppies. Let's see. We got an installation for the Color Style Writer 2400. I think there's another one in there. I'm gonna prop that up, just read them off, because I can't tell. That's the printer software. Disc 2 for printer software. Disc 3. Got Hunt for the Red October. Got Art and Design in files. Got MacDraw 2 and files. And we got the D files, which I don't know what the D files means. So, let me bring back the camera. Over here, we got our first CD-ROM. Oh my gosh. CD-ROM for Macintosh. DeLorme Mapping. Street Atlas USA. Version 2. I've used this once. I remember my dad using it when we first had the computer in our living room. Got a registration card. And nothing much in here except the registration and the disc. Street Atlas USA. And I can't get this freaking thing open. There we go. 1993. Sweet. Well, this has been a long time since I've gone through all this stuff. I haven't even really looked into all this. So, yeah, this is my first time for everything. Sorta. I've gone through everything once. I think about probably 2 years ago. Okay, we got more manuals. There is the Apple CD 300i Plus User's Manual. I don't know what this manual's for. It's probably an Apple CD something. Oh, it's an external CD-ROM drive. External CD-ROM drive manual. Let's see, we got an Addy's Manual 2.0 Owner's Guide. Just telling you how to install Addy's. About 77 pages. It's that thick. It's not that thick, but got Addy's 2.0 quick reference card. This is a fold out. There we go. Addy's, sir. Addy's. I had to make that joke up. Okay, we got Apple's Resource Guide. 800 number support, service, and training. I don't know if this is around or the number's around, but here's the number. I know that number's still around. I don't think. Yeah, some of these numbers aren't even around. We got system record here. And we got technical information. Specifications manual. Not gonna go into detail about that. Ooh! 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 Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Vintage. Vintage! I'll end the part here and bring back another part here. Hang on.